In this video, I'll demonstrate making a frequency histogram from some data. The first thing we'll want to do is put the data into a frequency distribution. This will mean listing all the different responses and then saying how many times those responses occurred. So it's good to identify the very lowest values first. Over the years, I've used this technique where I circle each repeated element that I'm about to transfer to the frequency distribution. The responses go on the left, so I'll put a 0 there. And I observed 2 zeros in the data set, so I'll put a 2 there for the frequency. Once I've recorded it, I'll cross it off so that I know that that data has been accounted for. Next, I'll go and look for any 1s. There aren't any 1s, but I do see some 2s. So I'll circle all the 2s. Okay, looks like we've got 0 1s and 3 2s. Now I'll cross those off. It's just a way of double checking to make sure I didn't miss anybody. The next response would be 3s. It looks like we've got 3 3s. Oh, I almost missed one. Four 3s. One, two, three. 3 4s. I count 5 5s. Looks like there are 2 6s. Two 7s. There's an 8. No 9s. 2 10s. Zero 11s. And a single 12. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to create bars for each of these responses where the frequency tells me the height of the bar. So I need a bar for the response of 0 years of service. Now, if somebody had 0.2 years of service, we would round that down to 0. But let's say they had 0.7 years, then we would round them up to 1, right? So that's a good reasoning for making the boundary between the bars halfway between them. Four 3s, 3 4s, 5 5s, 2 6s, 2 7s, 1 8, 0 9s, 2 10s, 0 11s, and 1 12. All right, we can shade in the bars if we wish. And what this is it's a graphical picture of the data. It's supposed to convey the data easily to a viewer. And it shows some of the trends and concentrations of the data.